Hi, I'm Mike. If you lost all your keys, don't worry. The Otofix IM1 makes it easy to make new keys. I'm going to show you how to add a key using the All Keys Lost process on the brand new Otofix IM1. The vehicle is a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Are you ready? Let's go. First things first, connect the V1 VCI to the vehicle's OBD2 port. Head over to the VCI Manager page to connect the IM1 with the V1. Once connected, it will display Connected. Next, tap IMMO, which is short for Immobilizer. Find your vehicle by navigating through the list or tap USA on the top toolbar and quickly find Jeep. Tap Automatic Selection so that the IM1 can read your vehicle's information immediately. Since we don't have a working key, we just need to turn our hazard lights on. The system will display a password for your keys and will save it in the system. Then run the scan. Now you should run a scan to make sure there are no fault codes before doing the All Keys Lost procedure. Our scan comes up normal, so now we can begin with All Keys Lost. This process will erase all keys that are already paired with the vehicle. So even if you lost them, it's best to erase those keys so that they can't be used. Follow the prompts on the screen. Since we already got the password, we don't need to reread it. Once you reach this screen, take one of your blank keys and hold it near the center console. Hold it down towards the console and press the unlock button until you hear a click. The screen will display a notification that it is establishing a connection. Once the connection is established, the key is officially learned. If you have more than one blank key, add them next, or end the process. I have one more, so I will run the same process again by pressing the unlock button until I hear that click. The IM1 will display how many keys you've learned here. If you've learned all the keys you need, press Escape to go back to the scan page. It's good practice to run a scan after doing All Keys Lost. Run a rescan and see if any codes appear. They don't for us here, so we are good to go. Test out your keys by locking and unlocking the doors or turning the engine on. My name is Mike and I hope I answered your questions regarding All Keys Lost with the IM1. The IM1 really simplifies everything for us. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Otofix support at any time. Thank you for watching.